Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best dress forms for sewing that are currently available on the market. Whether you're a seasoned seamstress or a beginner looking to level up your sewing game, these dress forms are essential tools to help you achieve professional results. Stick around as we break down each product's features, performance, and value. As always, you can find the product links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Black Dress Form Adjustable Mannequin by PDM Worldwide. This dress form is truly versatile, with 13 soft grip rolling dials that allow you to adjust the chest, hips, waist, and even the back length for a perfect fit. The adjustable height, ranging from 42.5 to 60 inches, makes it suitable for various body measurements and sewing projects. It's covered in premium stretchable cotton, providing a great surface for pinning and marking, while the detachable rolling casters add mobility and convenience. In terms of design and build quality, the 4-leg rolling base, combined with stainless steel tubes, offers excellent stability and support, even for heavy garments. The detachable casters are a unique feature, allowing you to move the form easily while locking it in place for stationary use. However, the overall structure is somewhat lightweight, meaning it might not hold up as well under prolonged use or heavy-duty projects. While this mannequin excels in flexibility and ease of assembly, its value proposition is slightly undermined by the lack of detailed sizing information and its lower customer rating of 4.1 stars. This dress form is ideal for beginners or hobbyists who want a budget-friendly option with adjustable features, but professionals may find it lacking in durability. Pros include the rolling base and adjustable dials, while cons include its lighter build and less precise adjustments compared to higher-end models. Coming in at number 3 is the Dritz Twin Fit Adjustable Dress Form Petite. Priced at $179.99, this budget-friendly option is designed for petite sizes ranging from US 00 to 4. Making it perfect for users who often struggle to find dress forms suited to smaller measurements. With 13 dials for adjusting the bust, waist, hips, and neck, this form allows for precise fitting. The adjustable back, waist length, and height customization further enhance its versatility, ensuring a personalized fit for your sewing projects. The sturdy tripod base with metal legs provides excellent stability and includes protective floor caps for added durability. The body is pinnable and covered in a silver gray fabric, which is soft yet firm enough for pinning. The 360-degree hem guide is a standout feature, allowing for accurate and even hems with minimal effort. However, the petite size may limit its usability for those outside its measurement range, and its lightweight construction could be less durable for heavy-duty projects. With a 4.3-star rating, the Dritz Twin Fit offers fantastic value for hobbyists and beginners working with smaller sizes. It's compact and easy to store, making it a great choice for those with limited space. Pros include its affordability, adjustable features, and petite size compatibility, while cons include its limited size range and lighter build. At number 2, we have the So Simple FG306 Adjustable Dress Form by Adjustaform. This dress form is a fantastic choice for users who need a versatile and durable sewing mannequin. Featuring an 8-part body with 12 adjustable thumb wheels, you can customize the bust, waist, hips, neck, back length, and height to perfectly match your measurements. Its size range from S to middle size weight, US dress size 4 to 12, covers a wide spectrum of sewing needs, making it suitable for most users. The foam-backed fabric exterior offers a premium feel and makes pinning fabrics and patterns straightforward. The sleek black 4-footed base is both sturdy and stylish, ensuring stability during use. A pin grip hem marker is also included, which is a thoughtful addition for marking the hem on dresses or skirts. However, at 9.43 pounds, it's slightly heavier than other models, which could make it less portable. Additionally, while the adjustability is impressive, some users may find the thumb wheels less intuitive compared to dials. With a strong 4.4-star rating and a 2-year guarantee, the So Simple FG306 balances quality and reliability. It's ideal for intermediate to advanced users who want a durable, adjustable form that supports precise fitting. Pros include its robust build, wide adjustability, and premium fabric, while cons include its heavier structure and slightly steeper learning curve for adjustments. Finally, claiming the top spot at number 1, we have the Singer Female Adjustable Gray Dress Form. Priced at $189.99. This premium option is packed with features that make it the ultimate choice for sewing enthusiasts and professionals alike. With 12 adjustable dials, you can fine-tune the neck, bust, waist, hips, and height to achieve perfect sizing. Its size range of 10 to 18 is versatile, accommodating a wide variety of sewing needs. The foam-backed flannel fabric exterior is not only durable, but also ideal for pinning fabrics and patterns securely. The tripod stand is sturdy and easy to assemble, offering excellent stability during use. One of its standout features is the 360-degree hem guide, which ensures precision when marking and basting hems for your garments. Additionally, the tool-free height adjustment system adds convenience, allowing you to customize the height quickly and efficiently. At 11 pounds, it's slightly heavier than other models, but this weight contributes to its overall stability. With a 4.5-star rating and glowing customer reviews, the Singer Adjustable Dress Form is the best option for those who want professional-grade performance. It's perfect for both advanced users and beginners who are serious about their sewing projects. Pros include its premium build quality, versatile adjustments, and user-friendly design, while cons include its higher price point and heavier weight. If you're looking for the best in class, the Singer Dress Form is the way to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this comparison helpful in choosing the perfect dress form for your sewing needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and tutorials. If you have any questions about these products or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy sewing!